Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix collaboration not showing up on Instagram. So when you open your Instagram, the collaborate option should show up once you try to create any post. So for example, this is the one that I want to post, and then I tap next. And then in here, from tag people, add location, add music, there should be an option in there to add collaborators or to have collaborations with others. But as you can see in here, I don't have that option. That's mainly because I don't have a professional account. So on this video, I'll show you how to create a professional account in order for you to collaborate on your Instagram. Open your Instagram. Once you opened Instagram, make sure you're logged into your personal account. And then from here, you'll tap your profile icon located on the lower right part of your screen. Once you're already on your profile, on the right top part of your screen, you'll find a burger icon or 3 lines. Tap on that and then go to settings. Now on this page, tap account. From this page, scroll down. Then you'll have an option to switch to professional account. Tap on that. It says in here that with professional account, you can get access to insights about your followers and account performance. Now tap continue. Of course, you'll learn about our followers. Tap continue. And with this professional account, you'll reach more people. Tap continue. Now you'll also have new contact options with the professional account. On this page, you'll choose what best describes you. So it will give you suggested in here, but you can also search for categories. In my case, I'll just choose video creator. And then once you're done, just tap on done. And it will prompt if you want to switch your account indeed to professional account. So in my case, I'm not going to switch my personal account to professional account, but once you're decided, just press OK. Once you're able to create your professional account, go back to posting on any videos or any photos that you want, and then you'll be able to see the collaboration option or collaborate option on the posting page. And that's how to fix collaboration not showing up on Instagram. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.